If your KDP books are making sales, it's probably not bad luck. In this video, I will show you the biggest mistake people are making with Amazon KDP and how to avoid them so you can actually start getting sales. First mistake is choosing a niche with no demand. Just because you can create a book doesn't mean people want it. If your niche have a BCR over 1 million, there basically no demand. You want niche where books are actually sales, not just existing. Mistake number two, the bad cover design. People judge books by their cover. If your title hard to read, or your color blend together, or doesn't even look like the products, people will scroll past instantly. Simple rules, clear, blood, easy to understand. Mistake number three, it's ignoring keyword. If you don't use the exact word people are searching, your book won't to show up. Never. For example, skills for life sounds niche, but life skills for tennis, what people actually search. Always think, what would someone type on Amazon search? Mistake number four, it's trying to sell with zero reviews, because no reviews, no trust, and no sales. Most people want to buy your book unless others are already dead. Your goal should at least 20 reviews to compete with others. Mistake number four is not using Amazon ads. Ads help your book to get seen, and they help Amazon to understand what your book is about. Even small budget can work, especially in low competition niche. Mistake number six is trying to be creative with title. Do, don't be clever, be clear. People should intently understand what your book about. It's they have to think. They won't click. The mistake number seven, it's offering less for more. If your book has a four pages but costs more than other, why would anyone choose you? Always match or beat the market value. The mistake number eight, it's going to general. Instead of activity books for kids, go specific. Do maker activity books for boys between 4 20 or something like that. The more specific you are, the easiest to ranking and getting sales. The last mistake is small details that kill trust. Think like misformatting, title getting cut off, not like inside features. These small things make your book look low quality, and it's look cheap if you want to sell. And with Amazon KDP in 2026, not just you creating your book and upload it in your on Amazon, you getting sales. You should do marketing or with social media, because here I recommend you one of best software that create you content for you from your book and publish it with other social media platform like Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's called AI Sales Rocket, and you'll find the link in the description.